Hello, everyone, and welcome to English Learning Class, the podcast where you learn English in a simple, easy, and practical way. My name is Hannah.
And I'm Daniel. We are very happy that you are listening to our podcast today. In this episode, we are going to talk about a very important topic. Why do we need to know fluent English?
Yes, this is a very important topic for students, job seekers, travelers, business people, and really anyone who wants to improve their life and opportunities. Many people study English for many years, but sometimes they don't clearly understand why fluency is so important.
That's true. Some people learn English only to pass exams. Some people learn English because it is a school subject. But English is much more than a subject. It is a global language, a communication tool, and a key to many opportunities.
So today, we will discuss many reasons why learning fluent English is important. We will talk about communication, education, jobs, business, travel, the internet, entertainment, confidence, and personal development.
So, let's start our lesson.
First, English is an international language. This means people from many different countries use English to communicate with each other.
For example, if someone from Japan wants to talk to someone from Brazil, they will probably speak English, not Japanese or Portuguese.
Yes, English is used in international meetings, international business, science, technology, aviation, shipping, tourism, and many other fields.
If you know fluent English, you can communicate with people from all over the world. You can make international friends, join international communities, and learn about different cultures.
Language is not only words. Language is also culture, ideas, and understanding people. When you speak English, you can understand the world better.
So, the first reason we need fluent English is communication with the world.
The second reason is education. English is very important for students and learners.
Many of the world's best universities use English as the main language of instruction. Many textbooks, research papers, journals, and academic articles are written in English.
If your English is not good, you may not understand these books and research papers. But if your English is fluent, you can learn directly from international sources.
Also, many online courses are in English. Websites like online learning platforms, tutorials, lectures, and educational videos are mostly in English.
If you understand English well, you can learn anything: programming, business, marketing, design, science, medicine, engineering, and more. English gives you access to unlimited knowledge.
Yes, that's a very important sentence. English gives you access to unlimited knowledge.
Now, let's talk about jobs and careers. English is very important in the job market.
Many companies want employees who can speak English, especially international companies, multinational companies, IT companies, airlines, hotels, and online businesses.
If two people apply for the same job and one can speak fluent English but the other cannot, the company will probably choose the person who can speak English.
Because that person can communicate with international clients, write emails, join meetings, and represent the company.
Fluent English can help you get a better job, get a higher salary, get promotions, work in international companies, work abroad.
So English is not only a language, English is also a career skill.
If you are a business person or want to start a business, English is also very important.
Many business deals, emails, contracts, meetings, and presentations are done in English.
If you can speak English fluently, you can talk to international customers, suppliers, and partners.
You can sell products online to other countries. You can communicate with foreign buyers. You can watch business training videos and read business books.
English can help your business grow internationally.
Another very important reason is the internet.
Most of the content on the internet is in English. Websites, blogs, tutorials, YouTube videos, online courses, forums, and articles are mostly in English.
If you don't understand English, you are missing a lot of information on the internet. But if you understand English, you can learn anything from the internet for free.
You can learn how to start a business, how to learn programming, how to improve communication skills, how to cook, how to design, how to invest money, how to learn new skills.
English turns the internet into a huge school.
Now, let's talk about traveling.
If you travel to another country, English can help you in many situations.
For example, at the airport, at the hotel, in a restaurant, asking for directions, shopping, talking to tourists, talking to hotel staff.
Even if the country is not an English-speaking country, many people still understand basic English.
So, English makes traveling easier, safer, and more enjoyable.
Another interesting reason to learn English is entertainment.
Many movies, TV shows, songs, podcasts, and books are in English.
If you understand English, you don't always need subtitles. You can understand the original language, the jokes, the emotions, and the real meaning.
You can watch movies, listen to songs, and read books in English and enjoy them more.
Also, you can follow international YouTubers, podcasters, and content creators.
Now, let's talk about confidence.
When you can speak English fluently, you feel more confident.
You are not afraid to talk to new people. You are not afraid to speak in meetings or presentations.
You can express your ideas clearly. You can share your opinions. You can participate in discussions.
Language is power. When you can speak another language, especially English, you feel more powerful and confident.
English also helps in personal development.
You can read self-improvement books, listen to motivational speeches, watch educational videos, and learn new ideas.
When you learn English, you are not only learning a language, you are also learning new ideas, new cultures, and new ways of thinking.
English connects people around the world.
You can make friends from different countries. You can join international communities. You can work with people from different cultures.
You can share your ideas with the world, and the world can share ideas with you.
English is like a bridge that connects different countries, cultures, and people.
Now, the big question: how can we become fluent in English? Here are some simple tips. Practice speaking every day. Listen to English podcasts, watch English movies and videos, read English books and articles, learn new vocabulary every day, write in English every day, think in English, speak without fear, make mistakes and learn from them. Practice, practice, practice.
Remember, fluency does not come in one day. It takes time, practice, patience, and consistency.
If you practice a little every day, after 1 year, your English will be much better.
Don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning.
The most important thing is to keep practicing and never give up.
So, today we talked about why we need fluent English.
Let's summarize the main points. English is an international language. English helps in education. English helps you get a good job. English is important for business. English helps you use the internet. English helps when traveling. English is useful for entertainment. English builds confidence. English helps personal development. English connects the world.
English is not just a subject. English is a life skill.
When you learn English, you open the door to the world.
So, start today. Learn new words, listen to English, speak English, and practice every day.
Thank you for listening to English Learning Class.
We hope this lesson helps you understand why English is important.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.